Resolving family disputes, part 9. Always remember that ownership is nothing but state of mind. When you are walking on a road is yours. When you are sitting on a particular table in a restaurant, that table is yours for that particular moment. When you are sitting on a particular seat in the metro, the seat of the metro for that particular time is yours. When you are sitting on a bench in the park, the portion of that bench and the park you are seeing is yours at that moment. A flowing river in which you are floating or your boat is floating is yours for that moment. The sea, if you are in a ship, that particular portion of the sea is yours. Sea is yours till the time you are floating in the ship. That ship is also yours. A portion of that ship is yours till the time you are in the ship. But what we think, that I should have it permanently. Whether anyone like to have the bed of the hospital permanently? No, never. Whether anyone will like to have a place near the crematorium or near the crematorium inside the permanently? No. If you don't want these things permanently, then why you want the property permanently which you know that you can't enjoy for all times to come? Friends, it is a state of mind. Keep in mind that you can't enjoy all the property for all times to come. If these things one keeps in mind, then his disputes will be solved. And if you are resolving a dispute, then if you make these things to come in the mind of the parties whose dispute you are resolving, the dispute will be resolved in a positive note, bringing peace in the society, and the nation will prosper. Thank you.